So after installing my Right Stuff brake booster and master cylinder, I decided to reconfigure my line lock setup. And since there's two ports coming out of the proportioning valve for the front brakes, I decided to run two solenoids, one for each side. I've never seen this done, and a guy at Summit Racing said, "Don't do that, you're not allowed to do that," but I did it. And it seems to work really good. They both trigger at the same time, and it holds the car good. I did all the brake lines. That's really my kind of first attempt at bending all those things, and I could probably neaten it up somehow if I worked at it some more. But there it is. I don't know if I ever make it to the drag strip again and what they're going to say about this, but it seems to work. And so I've got all the power going to my brakes, you know. I didn't want to run one line out of the proportioning valve into one solenoid and then split that off into two for my front brakes. I want to try to keep all the power possible going to my front brakes. And I've got disc brakes in the front, of course. Drums in the back still. But it works really good. This new booster and master cylinder work really good. I got really nice brakes now. So there it is. I don't know if anybody's ever done that before, but it seems to be okay. And I just used my old bracket that held the proportioning valve from the old setup to mount my solenoids, and just mounted it over there. So it seems to be okay. My brake lines could be neater. Maybe I'll work on that someday. But for now it's good and nothing leaks. So there you go. What do you guys think? Good, no good, don't do that? I'm a bad person? I don't know. Let me know what you think about this.